guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'll show you the easiest way how you could disable or turn off Windows BitLocker protection for an SD card. To do that, plug your SD card to your computer. Go to your PC shortcut, locate the SD card, click on it with the right button of the mouse, and here select Manage BitLocker. Once done, you will see the main menu. And here, this is my SD card under test name, as you can see. I will just click Turn off BitLocker. Click Turn off BitLocker, and this operation should be done in the coming seconds. The operation might be relatively slow or fast based on how fast is your computer, but it should be done within maximum few minutes. Now we will click Close, and our SD card has no BitLocker protection anymore. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.